Hi, I'm Neema and today it's time for another cocktail from Neema's kitchen, and this cocktail is called Brandy Fix. So let's go ahead and start off by putting some ice cubes in a shaker. And I'm going to add in 75 ml of brandy. Okay, 75 ml. Now you can add in a juice of half a lemon like this. And a teaspoon of powdered sugar. I like sugar, so I'm going to add a bit more. It's up to you. And then a dash of water. Here it goes. Now it's time to shake. Now let's pour this to a glass. Garnish it with a straw and a mint. Cheers to all, and see you all in my next video with another tips and tricks.